In this video, I'm going to show you how to open YouTube on laptop. So there is some easy way to open YouTube. Firstly, type youtube.com on search bar. So you can access this YouTube page. And another way, if you are signing in on Google Chrome account, so click on these three dots, some dots, and click on YouTube. So it's a simple and very basic way to open YouTube on laptop. Just you need to open any web browser and type in search bar youtube.com. And also if you will type YouTube only, so you will see this first link youtube.com, so click on it. And you can watch any video from this list. That's it. Thanks for watching.